everyone! I was given the opportunity once again to review some prescription glasses, this time from a brand called VOOGUEME. They sent me 6 pairs of glasses, so first I would like to say thank you to VOOGUEME for the opportunity, and as always, I will do my best to be as honest as possible during my review. Welcome to my channel. You might not know because I usually wear contacts while filming, but most of the time I am wearing glasses. I've needed prescription lenses for over 15 years, so I am not new to buying glasses. I usually spend between $100 and $300 on glasses, and I like to have a variety, so websites that offer inexpensive glasses like VOOGUEME are very intriguing to me. Luckily, they sent me 6 pairs of prescription glasses to test out for you today, and they also gave me a 15% discount code if you're interested. So now that that's out of the way, let's look at VOOGUEME. On Trustpilot, they have some mixed reviews. Some people had some problems with shipping. My shipping took about 3 weeks to get to me, but their customer service seems to be on top of any issues, and that's what I like to see. Now the website. It's very nicely designed and easy to navigate. They have information to help you choose the right glasses, fill out prescription information, as well as a try-on feature. The frames range from $3 to $40 US, and they've got hundreds of unique and creative frames to choose from. Prescription lenses run from $25 to $90 depending on your preference, but they also have blue light blocking, non-prescription, reading glasses, and no-line multifocal lenses. Shipping is $5.95 or free for orders over $59, so you can get a pair of prescription glasses for under $100 or even under $50. So they're not the cheapest glasses I've seen online, but they are definitely inexpensive, and they do have the biggest, most unique selection I've seen. Alright, let's unbox them. I'll list all the frame information down in the description if you see a pair that you like. So all the frames came in separate soft orange bags. I picked out 2 frames and they picked out 4 frames, so most of these will be a surprise. Alright, let's get started. So first pair, they come wrapped in a little chamois. These ones are blue. These are not a pair that I picked out, so they come wrapped in plastic as well. Alright, here is the first pair. Let's take a look at them up close. So they're a nice indigo blue plastic frame with a gold metal detail in the center. The arms are also metal and they're in a unique shape. Very cool little cat eye glasses. Let's try them on. Okay, so right away I can tell the prescription is correct. Oh, I like these. These actually fit my face really well. These are one of the pairs that they picked out, so I had no idea what they were gonna look like when they got to me, but I really like them. They're kind of dorky. I feel like a cool art teacher or something with these. And look at the sides. I really like this. Ah, perfect. I'm definitely gonna wear these. All right, these next ones. They all come wrapped in a little chamois and plastic. Ooh, look at these. So they're like tortoiseshell. Let's take a look at them up close. So they are plastic, square, kind of cat eye glasses. They look like tortoiseshell on the top and then clear plastic on the bottom. The arms are also tortoiseshell plastic, and they've got some little gold details, like gold on the bridge and on the sides. All right, let's try them on. Ooh, these ones are big. Ooh, okay, these ones are a little bit big, but they still suit me, I think. They still look good on my face. They're not too big. Ooh, these ones are cool. These ones are fancy. So I think I need a scarf or something and the wind blowing through my hair when I'm wearing these glasses. They look very old school Hollywood. Oh, I really like them. Oh, these are cool. They kind of hide my eyebrows, but I'm not mad at them. next pair. Rhinestones. Okay, let me take the plastic off. So these ones are adorable. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Don't look at me, look at the glasses. Here we are. How friggin' cute are these? Okay, let's take a look at them up close. So they're clear plastic with little stars imprinted in them, and then they're covered in rhinestones. They've got 2 little metal stars in each corner, and the arms are also clear plastic with the stars and rhinestones. Wow. All right, let's try them on. These are like a disco ball. Once again, the prescription is perfect, spot on. I can see very well through these. Also, they're not too reflective, which I really like. I hate that really glary look you get on some cheap pairs of glasses, but these are beautiful. These, let me take, I haven't even looked at them yet. Oh my God. I feel like Elton John. These are so cute. You guys. They're so thick and big, they're almost like goggles, but I love them! You guys! I feel like I need to be on Broadway or something. I need to be on stage with these glasses, for sure. And they're so shiny. These are so cool. Good job, VOOGUEME. You picked up. It wouldn't be an unorthodox video without the camera shutting off, so sorry about that, that was on me. But like I was saying, VOOGUEME, you did really well. These glasses are awesome. I've loved every pair. Every pair we've done so far are ones that they chose. All right, let's look at the next ones. Okay, oh, these are a pair that I chose. Let me just take the plastic off so you can see them. So these, I just thought these were the most weird, futuristic looking glasses. Let's see if I can get them to focus. Maybe. So they're like, let's take a look at them up close first. So they are half orange, half teal. They're a metal frame. They're a very weird shape I've never seen in glasses before. They're like teardrop shaped. And one arm is orange and one arm is teal, and they're full metal. Let's try them on. Okay, prescription is right, as I'm not surprised. Let's see how they fit on my face. Oh, these are freaking cool! Okay, I knew I would like these ones as soon as I picked them out. They are a little bit big on my face, so they do kind of cover my eyebrows a little bit, but the frames are so fine that it doesn't really block out any part of my face. These are so cool. I've never seen a pair of glasses like this before. They're definitely unique. I will be wearing them. Definitely will be wearing them, but I'm gonna get some comments, I'm sure. What do you think? Too much? Too different? No, just right. These are so cool. I believe these ones are called Iliana, and they are $14.99 for the frames. I think they also came in silver and gold, but I really like this dual colored frame. Okay, these ones are kind of heavy. Oh, no, they're not. So let's take off the plastic. You're gonna like these ones. Okay, take a look at these babies. Round glasses. Now, if you know me, you'll know I'm a fan of round glasses. Oh, let's take a look at them up close first. Okay, these ones are so cool. So they're like a half pink tortoiseshell plastic, and then on the bottom they're just red clear plastic. there's nice thick frames, and the arms are also that tortoiseshell pink plastic. These are so nice. All right, let's try them on. Prescription is good. These are freaking huge. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these ones are like goggles. I don't know how I feel about this pair. I really like them. I think they're really cool, but on me, they're a bit much. They are a bit much on. I think they sit a little high. Yeah, I like them lower like this. These are just nuts. I don't know if I would wear these out in public. Maybe I could build up the courage, but they match my hair. I really like that they match my hair. These are unique. They're definitely unique. What do you think? I'm having so much fun with this video. I'm trying to think of what they remind me of. Like a cartoon character. They definitely make me feel like a cartoon character. Okay, let's try the last pair. Now, the last pair, I know what they are because I chose them, and they're the only ones we haven't seen yet. So, let me open them up and take the... Okay, these ones I am the most excited about. I'm just going to take the plastic off. So, these ones are called Ingra. And they are all rhinestones. They're very heavy. These ones are $14.99 as well, I believe, for the frames. Now let's take a look at them up close. Okay, so it's a full metal frame, it's quite heavy actually. Full metal frame and just complete rhinestones of different sizes. The arms are also gold metal with rhinestones. Big gems, actually. I would call them big gems set in. So they're big gems set into the frames. These ones are the blingiest blingy glasses I've ever seen. Let's try them on. Okay, prescription is right. They don't feel too heavy once you have them on, but they did feel a little heavy in my hand. Okay, let me look in the mirror. These are so cool. These are the coolest glasses I've ever owned. Look at the gems on them. They're huge. I feel like a really, really chic old lady. Oh my god. Okay, these are a little bit big. They're a little bit bigger than I expected. I can see really well out of them. Surprisingly, the big frames aren't bothering me. It's usually like you can see big thick frames. These ones aren't that bad, surprisingly. They aren't too heavy on the face. You definitely couldn't go anywhere without people commenting on these glasses. You can't miss them. You can't miss them. They would be cool with pearls as well, but I really like the clear gemstones. I think these ones maybe suit me the most. Maybe these ones or these ones. These ones I can see out of the best because they're the frames are so big I can't see the frames. I like that. That suits me the best. I think these ones suit me the best. I'm gonna wear these for the end of the video. So all of the glasses are very comfortable and they all got the prescription spot on, so good job, VOOGUEME. The lenses aren't super reflective, which is really nice. I know a lot of times you can get inexpensive glasses and the reflection in the lenses is so bad that it actually affects your view. These, I don't have any problem with that, and I've got these huge studio lights right on them, so I would know. No reflection, I love that. They were really inexpensive. Shipping was a little while, but not terrible. VOOGUEME did a great job in picking out these frames for me. I loved every single pair. They're so awesome. and unique. I've never had glasses like these before. How cool are these? Like I said, all the glasses were great prescription-wise, lens-wise. I really like them. They're all comfortable as well. I can see well throughout them all. So if you like any of these glasses, just check down in the description and I will list all the information for all of the frames seen in this video. And also I have a 15% discount code. If you're interested, use the code UNORTHODOL to get 15% off. Just follow the link down in the description. And I think that's it. I had a lot of fun making this video and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at UNORTHODOL, same way it's spelled here. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here.